These YouTube tips are basic, boring, painfully obvious, but they're also effective. And if you actually do them quietly over time, you'll get more views. So let's go through your YouTube broccoli. Press publish. Draft videos don't get views. They just gather dust. Stop guessing. Every word you say, every frame you edit, and for crying out loud, please don't stress about the tags you put in your videos. None of that matters until the video is out in the world. So press publish today, not someday. Titles in English. Your title isn't a novel, it's a signpost, and viewers scroll fast. So keep it clear, short, and easy to read. If you can't explain your video in under 60 characters, you're probably overcomplicating things. Simple titles are the ones people actually click on. Keep the thumbnail promise. Your thumbnail is a contract. Don't use abstract artwork and random screenshots. You want to literally show the thing that you're going to brag about. Make it so painfully obvious to the viewer that they can see it in a passing glance. And the best way to do this is to try the 2-second test, which is this. Do you know what the video is about? Great, it passed the test. Start fast. The first 5 seconds of a video determine whether or not it's a winner or a click away. So here's a simple tip. Skip the, hey guys, welcome to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Nobody cares. Instead, start delivering on the promise they clicked for. Solve the problem, reveal the thing, start the action, earn their attention before you lose it. If you want a simple example of this, restart this video, you'll see what I mean. Good lighting. The cheapest camera upgrade in the world is a window. Natural light instantly makes you look cleaner, sharper, and more professional. Now, of course, if the sun has gone down, then you can use a light. And if you want to get a whiter, cleaner look to the image, then you would want to use a higher color temperature light. And basically, just don't film in a place that's so dark it feels like you're in a dungeon. What the hell is that? Lens and microphone check. Every creator has ruined at least one video in their life, either due to a smudged lens or a microphone that's covered up, or both. So before you start recording, do the 5-second check. Make sure that the microphone isn't covered and just clean your lens. Stabilize your footage. Put your camera on a tripod or a bookshelf or a stack of books to remove any jitter and movement out of your recording. Unless, of course, you want to be more raw and authentic. Just make sure not to shake the camera too much. You don't want your viewers to be seasick, do you? Eye contact. Stop looking at your own face in the screen. It makes you look distracted, insecure, and disconnected. Look directly into the lens. That tiny black circle is your audience. Talk to the camera, not the viewfinder. Project your voice, speak clearly, and viewers will start to feel as if you are talking directly to them. Now, you don't have to stare deep and darkly directly into their soul all of the time. Anything above 50% eye contact with the lens is a good start. Trim dead air. That awkward pause before you start, chop it. That extra silence at the end, chop it. That bit mid-sentence where you lose your train of thought, chop it. Editing is just respecting your viewers' time, and that's what makes them watch more. Level your audio. Your viewers pay for you, not for your background track. Keep music where it should be, in the background, and not competing with your voice. And try to remember, some people listen to your videos through tinny speakers on a smartphone, while others will listen to you through high-quality headphones, and that can change the audio levels a bit. If you don't believe me, just try it now when you're watching your video back through your editor. Ultimately, audio clarity wins over audio vibes. Build a project template. You can save a massive amount of time by creating a master video project file with all of your common elements. So we're talking about things like graphical assets, sound effects, music, lower thirds, end screens, even your color grading settings. You'll soon find that you create a ton of stuff very quickly on your YouTube journey, and to have all of this stuff all in one place every time you start a new video is going to save you hours and hours over many years. I can guarantee that. Charge your batteries. Nothing ends a recording session faster than dead batteries. So whether you record with a DSLR or a smartphone, try to remember to charge them overnight. And that goes for all of your other equipment as well, microphones, lights, the lot. I also highly recommend you get some spare batteries if you have a dedicated camera, because a lot of the time you're filming and then you're setting up another shot or you're looking at your script, and all of that time the camera is just bleeding battery. You don't want your recording equipment to tap out before you do. Organize your projects. Don't dump all of your footage into one folder called videos. You'll soon have hundreds of videos in there and thousands of files. Instead, create clear folders for each project. So you've got raw footage, music, graphics, exports, final renders, stuff like that. And then try to establish a naming convention for important files that include keywords or dates. Oh, and a key myth to debunk here is that the file name does not influence its discovery on YouTube. That's the thumbnail and the title's job. I'm telling you now, the future you will thank you for all of this organization when you're trying to refer to clips from previous videos that you want to use in your most recent content. I do that a lot. Upload the video as private and then set to public. During the upload process to YouTube, the video should always be set to private or unlisted. That gives you time to write the title, add a thumbnail, create a description. If you want to, if you really want to, you can also add some video tags as well. Much more importantly than video tags, however, is that YouTube needs a little bit of time to process the video up to its highest quality. And it gives you an opportunity to re-watch the video one more time as uploaded to YouTube to check that there are any glaring mistakes. So I would say give yourself at least a couple of hours from uploading the video to setting it public on YouTube. The one exception to this rule would be that if the video is very time sensitive, reacting to a live event, then yeah, you just need to get the video out there as soon as possible when discovery and searchability of it is at its highest. Simple thumbnails. Humans can process faces a lot quicker than they can text and clutter. So when it comes to a thumbnail, start with a big face or a big object that draws a person's eye to it. Nothing else. Don't try and cram in 3 screenshots, 17 emojis, and a wall of text. This is similar to the 60 character limit in your titles. Try and limit yourself to 4 main elements of a thumbnail. For example, a face, maybe one object, a little bit of text, and some background. Simple, bold thumbnails are the ones that tend to stop the scroll. Less is more, especially with thumbnails. Pin comments. The comments of your videos are your billboards. So pin a comment that tells the viewer what to do next. Maybe it's answering an important question or directing them to what video they should watch next, or linking them to your mailing list. Don't wait for viewers to figure out what to do. Lead them by hand and they'll follow. Reply early. The first 24 hours when your video is out on YouTube is when your core community is checking it out. So this is when comments really matter. Reply fast, show you're present, and you'll double your engagement. Those core community members will feel like they're being heard by the channel creator, and YouTube will see it live in your video. So win-win situation. Share smartly. Don't shotgun blast your video across 20 random platforms. Instead, pick 1 or 2 places where your core community regularly hangs out. It could be a subreddit, a Discord channel, a forum that allows posting, and share your video with context. Repeat success. Stop trying to reinvent the video wheel. If a video blows up, make a part 2. Same idea, same style, slight twist. Try not to constantly chase unproven video experiments when you're already sitting on video gold. Audiences love familiarity, so give them more of what they love. Use end screens. Back where it all started, just 9 minutes ago. The end screen isn't just a fancy piece of decoration on your video. It is your final pitch to the audience. So add a link to the most relevant video that they should watch next and tell them why they should watch it. Control the flow of their attention. For example, if you want 20 bad habits small YouTubers just like you make that ruin their channels, then watch the end screen over here. Sorry, this video was so boring.